Hello my dear students, today's my topic is how to find cube root. Okay, and in this video we will discuss about how to find cube root of a rational number, cube root of a product of integers and cube root of a negative and positive integers. Okay, so let's discuss how to find cube root. First we discuss about what is the definition of a cube root. The cube root of a number x is that number whose cube give x. Okay, we denote the cube root of x by under root x like this. Okay, let me explain with example. We have seen 2 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 2. Okay, like this 2 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 2. So your answer is 8. 2 2s are 4 and 4 2s are 8. Your answer is 8. After that we have 8 under root 3. That means 2 like this. Okay. When we given 2 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 2, your answer is 8 and we have under root 3 the root 8. So your answer is 2. After that, when given 3 multiplied by 3 multiplied by 3, your answer is 27 and we write like this 27 and how many 3's? When we multiply 3 cube, okay, your answer is 27. So write here 3. That means cube of 3 is 27 and your answer is जब हम इसको ब्रैकेट से जब इसको हम अंडर रूट से बाहर निकालेंगे तो 3 because we write like this also 3 and 3. So this 3 to that 3 cancel. इस 3 से ये 3 cancel हो जाता है. So your answer is 3. Clear? Okay. So let me explain with prime factorization method. First your question is given how to find 2744. How to find this number is a perfect cube number or not? Okay. So first we check same process. First we check ones place number. Your ones place number is given. That means this number is divisible by 2. 2 ones are 2. 2 3s are 6. 2 7s are 14 and 2 2s are 4. 2 6s are 12. 2 8s are 16 and 2 6s are 12. Again 2 3s are 6. 2 4s are 8. 2 3s are 6 and here given odd number. That means this number is divisible by any odd number. 3. 3 ones are 3. No. 3 not. This number is divisible by 7. 7 4s are 28 and 7 9s are 63. Again 7 7s are 49. After that we write over here and how many 2's are given? 1 2 3 and 7 also 3. That means 2 to the power 3 and 7 to the power 3. So we write this number how? We write 2 7 and your answer is 14 and here we write. Now clear? This 3 to that 3 cancel. ये जो 3 है ये अंडर रूट से कैंसिल हो जाएगा and your answer is we write like this also and okay 3 this 3 to under root cancel or your answer is 14. Clear? Okay. After that your next topic is how to find when we find any negative इंटीजर्स क्यूब। जब भी हम किसी नेगेटिव इंटीजर्स का क्यूब फाइंड करते हैं तो आंसर नेगेटिव ही होगा। अगर यहाँ पे माइनस दिया होता तो आपका आंसर माइनस में ही आता। ओके, एंड यू second topic is how to find cube of product of integers. Product of integers, that means now I'm going to explain how to find cube of product of integers. Product of integers means cube of product of integers. Write like this also, A and B cube, like this. Okay, like this. After that, let me explain with the number to 125 and multiplied by 125 and multiplied by 64. Like this. When question is given like this, in under root 125 multiplied by 64. So we write like this 125 and 64. अब इसको हम अलग अलग तरह से सॉल्व कर लेंगे। 125 by prime factorization method. 5. Here your number is, when your ones place number is 0 and 5. Okay. So this number is definitely divisible by 5 or 5. Okay. 5 2s are 10 and 5 5s are 25. Here 25. So 5 5s are 25. And your next number is 64. And this is an even number. 2. 2 3s are 6. And 2 2s are 4. 2. 2 1s are 2. 2 6s are 12. 2 8s are 16, 2 4s are 8 and 2 2s are 4. So how we write? Like this, 5 multiplied by 5 multiplied by 5. Okay, and here 2 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 2, 2 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 2. How many 2s are there? 6. Okay. After that, we write like this also, 5 to the power 3 and here 2, 2, 2, 2, 2 2s are 4, 2 2s are 4 and 2 2s are 4, 2 2s are 4, 2 2s are 4, 2 2s are 4. So we write 2 4 to the power 3 and here, so that 3 to cancel, 5 multiplied by 4, 5 2s are 20. That means your answer is 20. Okay, in this condition we solve separate. इसको हम अलग अलग करके solve कर लेंगे, फिर एक साथ multiplication कर देते हैं। ठीक है, and my next topic is, next and last topic is of this lesson is how to find root of a cube root of a given rational number. Rational number in the form of p upon q. Rational number, let me explain. Rational number, cube of a rational number. Let me explain with example. Your rational number is, your number is given like minus 125 upon 512. This is your rational number. This is your rational number. So how to solve? We solve like this, 125 and here 512. 5 same, 5 5s are 25, 2s are 10, 5 5s are 25 and 5 5s are 25. And here your ones place number is even, that means this number is definitely divisible by 2. 2 2s are 4, 2 5s are 10, 2 6s are 12, 2 1s are 2 and here given 5. 2 2s are 4 and 2 8s are 16. Again here even number, That means this number is again divisible by 2. 2 6 are 12 and 2 4 are 8. 2 3 are 6. 2 2 are 4. 2 1 are 2. 2 6 are 12. 2 8 are 16. 2 4 are 8 and 2 1 are 2. Okay. After that we count how many cubes are there. 1, 2 and 3. Okay. And here 5. So we write 5 to the power 5 like this, and upon how many 2's? 1, 2 and 3. Okay. So we write like this also. हम ऐसे भी इसको लिख सकते हैं. और 3, 2 2's are 4 and 4 2's are 8. 8 to the power 3. Okay. After that 5 upon 8 to the power 3. This 3 to under root 3 cancel. So your answer is 5 upon 8. Now clear how to find cube of any given rational number, and in question given minus. So when your rational number and any number is negative, your answer is negative. Now clear how to find cube of a rational number, cube root of a rational number, cube root of a product of integers, and cube root of, and how to find cube root. Hope students all are understood. Okay, the topic is completed. Bye students.